Hello, traders. This is Andy from Trade Ideas. It is March the 28th on a Tuesday, and SPY is really getting pinched in to a nice wedge here. If I drew it, you can see the kind of downtrend going this way, and you got a little uptrend. So it's kind of pinning itself into a corner. We'll have to see which way this resolves, but I don't think you should really anticipate anything at this point. Qs are showing a little bit of weakness yesterday, pulling back some. We'll see if it can defend this moving average, which looks like it may have a date with today, this 10 period moving average. That's what I'll be watching in the Qs. All right, look, China was very strong overnight. We take a look at K-Web. Of course, Alibaba had some good news, and that's the reason why you're seeing China internet stocks doing well. Big gap up there of over 10%, and Alibaba, which is huge gap up for a stock, with 2.64 in the float. But real quick, let's take a look at some decent opportunity. I'm liking Newmont today. Gold has been performing well. Newmont has been kind of lagging and closed above its all of its moving averages yesterday, looking for a move potentially, out of this. It's kind of a cup and handle there, if you will, in a bottoming pattern, but nonetheless, it is a nice looking cup and handle. Chinese stock time, might want to keep an eye on that. It is gapping up this morning, gets above this 807 level. Uh, could be breaking this downtrend and looking for a move higher. This is the Tencent Music. And real quick, one other is Momo. Ever since earnings, this one has put in a long tail right here, and then it's been moving sideways. Gets above this 855 level, could be a buy. There's some other China names I have in here, but have a great day, guys. Good luck. Bye bye.